It's John Champion here at the microphone, and alongside me we have a top football analyst in Jim Beglin.
Thanks, John. Hello, everyone. I mean, what an atmosphere we've got in this stadium today. It's all very, very exciting.
He's got in. And he crosses to the centre. It's come through to him. It's opened up nicely for him. He's unlucky not to score there.
Oh, look, I just think he didn't get the connection he was hoping for. Nearly perfect technically, but not quite on the mark.
Through ball over the top, fisted away. A great header that, real bravery shown.
And he attacked that ball with real conviction. Just such a pity about the end result.
And that's been intercepted. Cleared away, wins a throw. The low ball in, possibility for a shot, taking a deflection. Oh, no room for any argument there, into touch it goes. It's a corner kick. Good run down the side. Now, what next? Chance. Picked off the ball. It's on for him. Minutes have passed. Plays this forward. He plays it through. Good width. He's onside here. Here comes the cross. Still not cleared properly. They're breaking out quickly here. The ball has crossed the line and it's a throw. And a cross, and he's there to clear it. Great chance for the counter. Chipped over the defence. And the chance accepted with some aplomb. The players celebrating the goal, but it won't count. Look at that flag. The referee says he was offside, and the goal is chalked off.
Yeah, the assistant did have his flag up. The referee seemed to spot it late, though. Nevertheless, the right decision.
Got it. Wants to get this forward. Wonderful through ball over the top. This could be interesting. And it's a really well-taken goal. It's 1-0. Super teamwork there.
It's the kind of move defences hate to deal with. That through ball just took them all out of play.
So we start again at 1-0.
Look, we know they're in control now, but they can't let their concentration drop, not one bit.
And that's a foul. Referee quickly at the scene of the crime. 15 minutes to go until the half-time whistle. Tried to play it through. He can take the shot on here, and he'll shoot! It's in! A moment of significance for Manchester United. So we resume with the scores back level.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
Slides it through. And they look for the spaces on the flanks. Ball's loose. And the chance accepted with some aplomb. They've scored what could well turn out to be the match winner. The keeper made a mess of it, and he's been punished.
Well, it still had to be finished off, so well done for the goal scorer, but the keeper should have done a lot better.
Now up by a goal. It went out of play. Long pass forward. Only one goal in it here with 5 minutes remaining before half-time. No, that won't be finding its target. He's got in. Looking to thread it through. And now the counter-attack. And there is half-time.
Well, they're just not using the full space available on this pitch. They need somebody in midfield who can get on the ball and bring in the wide men. They need a passer. They need somebody who's going to create more for them.
2-1 the scoreline. 3 goals to enjoy from the first half. This is very pleasing on the eye. A strong run, looking to make things happen. Good vision there. That was great play by the defence there, and it's out for a throw-in. Cuts it out. Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. Manchester United have this free kick. Oh, he's lost it. He's latched onto it, loses out in a position of some promise. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Deliberate foul. No, it's been picked off. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? He's onside, and he'll drive it here. And that's gone over. No, no way through there. Tries to slide it past the defence. The post to the rescue. Surely this time. That's a wasted opportunity.
Well, it looks like the control just deserted him at the final moment. I mean, to say he got a poor connection, that's an understatement.
He's waiting here, and he's got quite a shot on him. Really good try, but no goal.
Or maybe he just cut across the shot slightly and that made it track the wrong side of the post, but that's very unlucky.
And he wasn't far off.
He's been in great form of late. I mean, seeing him anywhere near the goal must be scary for an opponent.
Long ball over the top. Hits it. They're off on the counter. Now a chance to do some damage from out wide. It's cleared to safety. Cleared to safety. It's a corner. Picked off there. Approaching the last 15 minutes of the game. Wants to get this forward. Good opportunity for a cross here.
Well, there's no point in adopting a conservative attitude now. As long as they don't lose their shape completely, they have to throw men forward in this situation.
You know what, they're knocking on the door, but they're running out of time. That should have been the equaliser.
Ah, that could prove a pivotal moment in this match. They needed that goal badly, you know.
Plays this forward. It's on for him. Blatant foul there. Here's a ball in. Oh, a crucial intervention. And he'll shoot here. No, he wasn't decisive enough.
Yeah, he just gave the defence too much time to regroup. In the end, he was forced into rushing it.
Got it. It's a good run he's making. Can he now find a finish? And he's on the move. Sloppy pass, intercepted. He's on the ball. Where's he taking it? Possibility here, and he makes absolutely no mistake. With so little time remaining, it's all square here. It's incredible how he managed to steer that one in.
Yeah, I'm not sure he saw a gap there or was just a bit lucky to find it, but he just shouldn't have been allowed the room to shoot in the first place.
We're in the closing minutes now, and it's level. So that's it, the final whistle. Honours even then between these two sides, neither team able to come up with the winner, but I don't think the two managers will be too displeased with the result here.
I think it was one of those games where both sides did enough to deserve something from it, and there was good entertainment to it all the way through.